Nothing deterred the former TMC MLA Humayun Kabir from laying the foundation stone for the Babri Masjid to be built in Bildanga, Murshidabad district. The expelled TMC MLA said that a year ago he had made this commitment to build this mosque at Murshidabad district, and he's going ahead with this commitment. He was not deterred by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and went ahead telling the people that it is his commitment that he's keeping, and also stated that the Supreme Court did not mention that the mosque cannot be built anywhere in the country. There were several people there to support Humayun Kabir, many who had come from various districts carrying stones and bricks symbolic of their support for the building of the Babri Masjid. In the meanwhile, there was tight security in the area with several police forces, including the state and central police forces that were there to ensure that law and order was under control, because that is where the National Highway 12 is, which is an arterial road for the traffic to be flowing in that area, and hence there was tight security also, considering that there were people from various districts that were there at the spot. We must remember that the Calcutta High Court had turned out the public interest litigation, saying that law and order is the state government's responsibility, and while the ceremony is being conducted, it is the responsibility of the state government to ensure that there is security in the area. In the meanwhile, as far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned, they have distanced themselves from the controversies and instead held the Samiti Divas or the Unity Day to symbolize communal harmony. The BJP, however, has hit out at Humayun Kabir, saying this is a means of creating communal divide and disrupting peace in Murshidabad district, which has a high percentage of minority in the area.